And of course, all girls dream about the prince on the white horse. But there are not so many for all our Ukrainian girls. That is why girls most often jump out not to be an old maid. And they thought that they get married for love, but they get married for a mainstream guy. But even don't think that for men it is not difficult to find a good wife. There are also not so many queens between them. Unfortunately, couples who get used for a long time stop taking care about their appearance. Women became like ugly house workers. They meet their men in old dresses and in shabby slippers at home. But women, you shouldn't forget that our man always at his work sees beautiful ladies at high heels, with pure faces, with excellent bodies. And at first time, man forgives everything to his wife because he loves her and she is mother of his children. But when time passes, he can't resist to these beautiful ladies at his work and in the street. He looks on their bodies, he smells their perfumes, which is different from his wife at home. And that is why women should do everything in such a way not to let them do it. Our men shouldn't have enough energy to other women. You should be always new and interesting to your men. But men, you also should remember about your appearance, because we also like men like Brad Pitt. Or even don't forget about that we all love gifts, presents and surprises, which you should present not only on some occasion, but for no reason too. We all love this. And now, time for statistics. Divorced men complain about lack of intimacy. It is 37%. A lack of everyday tenderness. A lack of sexual life. Lack of care. And I don't know how it's in English. In Russian, it says like запиленные. Our men feel запиленными by us. There are also a lot of different and other reasons to get a divorce. By men, it is by humiliation, reluctance to do homework, bringing up children. Also, men, you should remember that hard drinking, it is also a straight way to get a divorce. It can be also bad condition of life, lack of understanding, difficult financial situation, jealousy, and of course absence of children. And it is bad. I didn't see. It is 15%, unfortunately, happens divorcing because of adultery. It's a statistic. There is statistic according to the number of years which couples live together, and after this they get divorces. During our break you can go and see this directly. And there is also statistics which was being concluded that marriage which were registered before 30 in twice longer than where spouses were over 30. Because younger people more flexible, they can get rid of annoying habits quicker. That is why, what I want to say, don't postpone your marriage and let's get marriage sensible and forever.